it's Strings Away. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Jirachi's headpiece. So this is starting at round 7. I've just finished one of the smaller ones, which is the side pieces. I have the other two here. The side piece and the middle piece are the same, except for the middle piece has one extra round, so you can see it's a little bit bigger. What I've done is I've marked off the stitches that I will not be working in. So if you read ahead in the directions a little bit, at this point what we're going to do is start joining the pieces together. We're going to crochet 7 in along the big piece. So I've counted off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I've marked off where I'm going to stop. So we're going to work into here. After we work 7 on the middle piece, we're going to go on to the other side piece, working into 16 and leaving the final 2 unworked. So what I've done here is just marked off again the last 2, well, just the second to last one, but here's the 1 and then 2. So when I get to this blue thing, I'm not going to work into that, I'm going to stop. We're leaving 2 on each piece unworked. So let's get started. This is round 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because I am going to count them all at the end, I think I'm going to mark the first stitch of this round here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There. So we've done 7 across the middle. We're going to go proceed to work on the other side piece. Again, starting just right after where I finished off here. For this one, we are going to do 16. So 1, I'm not going to count them all, but basically just go until there's 2 left. Okay, and then remember I marked off these 2, so we're going to stop. We're going to skip 2 on the big piece, which I already marked off here. We'll do 7 more across the side. And here we come again to some more stitches. We're going to leave these final 2 unworked, skip 2 on this piece as well. So that's 1, 2, and then work the rest into here. So we're back on the piece that we started from. This one we single crochet 14, but when we get to the very end, we decrease. So I'm getting up to the end here. I can see that I've got 2 stitches left on this round. I'm going to decrease these, and I like to do the invisible decrease. There. Okay, and then according to my own pattern, this round is supposed to have 45 stitches, so let's count them and see if it worked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Good. So we've done that join correctly. Let's move on. This is now round 8. We're going to do the front bangs. So skip over the first stitch. So that's the one that I've marked here. We're going to skip that one. Across the middle, slip stitch, half double crochet. So let's do that first. Slip, half double crochet, There we go. And then in the next one, within the brackets, we're going to do 2 double crochet. So we're going to keep working out of here. We'll do 2 of them. First double crochet, second double crochet coming from the same spot, and then next half double crochet, slip stitch, and skip the last. So half double, slip, and we are not going to work into this. So we're going to skip this next stitch. Okay, what's next? Continue to the side piece. Decrease and single crochet 3 times. So we're skipping this. We're going to decrease these 2. So decrease it, and then single crochet 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to repeat that again. Okay, continue across the back, decrease 4 times. Fourth decrease. Again, I'm using invisible decreases here. Okay, so then continue to the side piece, decrease and single crochet 3. Do that twice. And then decrease, single crochet 2, slip stitch into the last. So basically just do a slip stitch instead of the final, like what we've been doing. So decrease 1, 2, and then slip stitch. Okay, so we'll take out all of these stitch markers here, and then there will be some holes where we skipped 2 on each side to join. You're going to sew these holes closed with the leftover strands from each piece. So when you finished off, you're supposed to like leave a tail here. I would get my needle and then kind of just run that back and forth to seal these together. While I'm here, I might as well just show how to close the back of the headpiece as well, since I already made this headdress. So remember, the front has the bangs, like this little kind of U-shaped area. And if you want to, you can close the back of it if you want the back of the headpiece to be all yellow. I have a photo tutorial for this as well, but basically what we're going to do is I've marked off 12 stitches, so I put a stitch marker in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to chain 6 across, starting from here. So let's do, just going to grab some through, and then we'll chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then basically you're just going to work around decreasing this hole. It doesn't actually matter how many you do. So I just did 1 decrease around, but you can just decrease however you want. So we're going to work into here. So 1 decrease for this round. And this is where it gets kind of weird. I'm not even like counting here. I prefer invisible decrease, but if it's getting too hard, I just do a regular one. Probably should have counted what's the first stitch here. Doesn't really matter, honestly. And then working into the chain. 1, decrease. 1, decrease. Okay, and then just decrease around this round. So we'll do that. And then finally just close this opening. Whenever I close my stuff, I like to use the magic loop. Let's get all this junk out of the way. So I just stick my hook in and pull this through kind of the outer side of each stitch. And then pull it tight. And then hide it. There you go. And it does stick out a little bit, but that's okay. And then hopefully you've made the rest of Jirachi, like the white head. Stick this on top, add some stuffing into these little corners, and then it should be nice and puffy for you. And there you go, that's how to make Jirachi's headdress. Hopefully you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for visiting my site and checking out my patterns. Keep coming back because I'm always trying to post new stuff as much as I can. Take care, bye!